Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the grasses color in Photoshop 2021. I have already opened one image and I'm going to change the grasses color of this model. So first you need to go to the quick selection tool and select your grasses. And you can see that this part is not selected properly and some extra part is selected. So to zoom in and have a proper selection, use your control plus icon in the keyboard, plus key in the keyboard, and here you can see that the extra part is selected. So hold your alt key and remove the extra part and make a straight selection. Okay, remove the top part as well. Hold the alt key and remove this one. Okay, check on the other grass frame. Here you can see that the extra part is added, so remove this selection. Okay, remove the frame. Here also remove the frame. Select this one. Okay. Here we need to select here and remove the hair by holding the alt key. Okay, make a proper selection here as well. Control and minus from the keyboard to zoom out. Okay, after you have the proper selection, go to the icon over here and select your gradient map. Now you need to change the color. So from here select the different color. Okay, and change the normal into the color burn and change the fill color into some lighter. Change this color into different color. Now you can see as soon as you change the color, you will see the different kinds of color frame. That's it. This is how you change the grasses color in Photoshop. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.